Good day everyone. I'm here to present my on-the-job training experience at HR Prima Management Services. This OJT was part of my academic requirements and served as a valuable learning experience that helped bridge the gap between theory and practice. This presentation summarizes my 13-week on-the-job training at HR Prima Management Services. The internship aimed to give practical work experience in a real-world HR and technology-driven company. My primary role as a web developer involved working on the applicant tracking system, or what we call ATS, using PHP Native and SQL. I engaged in back-end development, guided interns, provided IT support, and participated in project planning. This OJT significantly enhanced my technical and professional skills. So, during my 13-week internship at HR Primo, I was assigned as a web developer. I work on the company's applicant tracking system using PHP Native and SQL. My task included back-end development, feature integration, and database management. And I also helped mentor new interns and provided IT support to the HR team. Overall, it was a highly enriching experience that strengthened both my technical and soft skills. So for the company profile, HR Prima Management Services is a consultancy firm dedicated to helping startups and SMEs achieve their HR and businesses goals. With a professional team committed to excellence, the company provides services ranging from executive search, payroll, and HR consultancy to training, HMO, and co-working spaces. Their mission is to deliver top quality HR support while ensuring labor law compliances. So, HR Premium Management Services is an HR consultancy firm that supports startups and SMEs in managing their human capital. They specialize in recruitment, payroll, and HR documentation, and also training and even virtual office services. Their mission is to provide high quality HR services and ensure labor law compliance, while their vision is to become a leading provider in the HR space. Their core values include passion for excellence, integrity, and relationship building. Mission, vision, and values. HR Primo's mission is to support clients with high-quality HR services that ensure compliance with labor laws. The vision is to become the leading HR provider to SMEs and startups. Core values include passion for excellence, relationship building, integrity, mindfulness, and optimism values that guide their services, delivery, and professional relationship. Services offered. HR Prima offers a wide array of services like executive search, HR consultancy, payroll and benefits administration, HR policy and documentation, training and development, HMO and insurances, and virtual office and co-working spaces. Each service is tailored to meet the specific needs of growing businesses and enhance workforce productivity and legal compliance. So, my workday usually began with a morning stand-up meeting to review and assign tasks. My main role was to enhance and maintain the applicant tracking system. This included modules like job vacancy, CV parsing, and endorsements. I also helped guide new interns and troubleshoot IT issues. The experience gave me real insight into daily operations and teamwork in a professional setting. Organizational structure. The company is headed by CEO Christina Cordilla with departments dedicated to various HR functions. These include executive recruitment, payroll, training, insurance, and more. Each department is led by a manager who oversees specialized teams. This structure supports collaboration and streamlined service delivery. Training role and responsibilities. As a web developer intern, I work on the company's applicant tracking system. My main tasks included PHP coding, my SQL database maintenance, feature integration, and debugging. I collaborated during sprint planning and reviews, mentored new interns, and provided IT support to HR staff. My day began with team meetings and goal settings. Weekly activity summary. From setting up the development environment in week 1 to system deployment and final presentation in week 13, each week introduce new challenges and learning opportunities. I work on multiple modules, optimized databases, integrated features, mentored peers, and conducted system testing. The first hour weeks were all about orientation, learning the system, and starting small tasks. I studied the existing code, made minor bug fixes, and added enhancements. I also worked on the candidate and job vacancy modules, implementing CRUD operations and improving user interfaces. So, in my week 5 to 8, I focus on database optimizing and feature development like the endorsement and email notifications modules. I also work on the CV parsers, which was quite challenging due to parsing inconsistencies. My week 8 involved presenting our progress and addressing feedback from supervisors. From week 9 to 13, I took on a leadership role by mentoring junior interns and leading a sub-project. I also helped with testing and final documentation. The final week was spent preparing for the system demo, and which marked the culmination of our efforts. Challenges encountered. A key engineering challenge was presented during a system demo where missing functions and bugs were identified. These required urgent debugging and collaboration. The CB parser, candidate module issues, and unhandled exceptions required overtime work and problem solving under pressure, revealing the critical role of pre-launch testing. So one of the major challenges we encountered during the system presentation where several bugs and missing features were discovered. I had to fix issues like broken parsing functions and validation errors under tight deadlines. This taught me the importance of through testing and time management. Solutions implemented. I implemented modular debugging, optimize PHP and SQL code, introduce version control using Git, and propose quiet hours for focus coding. Peer code walkthrough help distribute the workload. These practices not only solve technical issues but also improve teamwork, productivity, and system reliability. To address those issues, I applied modular debugging, optimized SQL queries, and implemented version control using Git, and also proposed a quiet hours policy to reduce meeting related distractions. Through this, I developed skills in leadership, communication, and collaboration, which are critical in real-world tech environments. Skills learned. Technical skills gained include PHP development, SQL optimization, debugging techniques, and Git version control. Soft skills include leadership through mentoring, time management under deadlines, team collaboration, and professional communication. The OGT experience bridge academic knowledge with industry practices. So to beyond technical knowledge, I gained soft skills such as leadership through task delegations, effective communication during team meetings, and adaptability in facing constant feedback. These skills will be essential as a transition from an intern to a full-time professional. Conclusions. The OGT objectives were successfully met. It provided hands-on learning, professional growth, and industry insights. The experience affirmed my interest in back-end development and improved my leadership's adaptability and collaboration skills. Despite challenges, the training enhanced my confidence in handling real-world tech roles. Recommendations. To improve future training, I recommend setting dedicated focus hours without meetings and encouraging interns to use version control tools early on. HR Primo could benefit from streamlining communication across departments. Personally, I aim to further strengthen my front-end development skills and gain deeper knowledge in cybersecurity. So, to conclude, my OGT and HR Primo allowed me to apply my academic knowledge in real-world scenarios. It confirmed my interest in system development and improved my confidence. So for future interns, I recommend clearer task delegation and more structured mentorship. Overall, the experience was both challenging and rewarding.